Start by protecting the carpet edge so you can paint baseboards without leaving any stains. Begin by pressing the carpet fibers down away from the baseboard with a putty knife, sliding the blade under the carpet and tucking the tufts back toward the room. This creates a small gap you can work in and reduces the chance of paint transfer. Next, run a strip of painter quality masking tape along the face of the baseboard about 1/4 inch from the carpet line so you have a clear paint boundary and can cut in precisely with a small angled brush. For a faster removable barrier, use a thin drywall knife or broad putty knife placed vertically against the carpet edge, then lay a strip of tape over the knife to hold it. This gives a straight edge and keeps paint off fibers. If you prefer to protect the carpet from drips and accidental brushes, insert a piece of wax paper or construction paper under the baseboard where the carpet meets the wall, sliding it under after tucking the fibers. The paper will catch any excess and can be pulled out when you are done. Use a high-quality angled sash brush no wider than 1.5 inches for control and load it sparingly to avoid runs. Brushing away from the carpet line and wiping the tip on the paint can rim instead of blotting on the carpet. After the final coat is applied, remove the tape slowly while the paint is still tacky to avoid peeling and press the carpet fibers back up with the flat of your hand or a clean putty knife to restore the pile. Common mistakes include overloading the brush, which causes drips that wick into carpet fibers. So, load the brush lightly, remove excess paint on the can rim, and touch up any tiny spots with a clean, damp cloth before the paint fully cures. Another frequent issue is failing to tuck the carpet fibers, which lets paint grab tufts and create a fuzzy edge. So always run a putty knife under the carpet first and, if needed, use a small piece of tape to hold the tufts down while you paint. A third mistake is removing tape too late and lifting paint from the baseboard, so peel tape back slowly at a 45-degree angle while paint is still slightly wet to leave a crisp edge. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work related to projects like painting baseboards. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where we and other users share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot techniques like protecting carpet while painting.